Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for October the 20th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, Roche's third quarter sales of prescription drugs rose 2% to 9.7 billion Swiss francs, boosted by demand for the breast cancer drugs Herceptin, Perjeta and Kadcyla. Overall revenue lifted 4.5% to 12.5 billion francs, although the figure missed analyst expectations of 12.6 billion francs. Also in the news, the FDA granted accelerated approval to Eli Lilly's Lartruvo in combination with doxorubicin to treat adults with certain types of soft tissue sarcoma. The agency noted that the drug is the first new therapy approved for the initial treatment of soft tissue sarcoma in more than 40 years. In other news, Actelion upgraded its full-year profit forecast after third quarter sales jumped 18% to 606 million Swiss francs, driven by the continued strong launch of Opsumit. Sales of the pulmonary arterial hypertension treatment surged 49% to 218 million francs. In addition, Rygel Pharmaceuticals shares fell after a phase 3 study of fostamatinib in adults with chronic persistent immune thrombocytopenia missed its main goal. In the FIT2 trial, the fostamatinib response rate was 18% versus 4% for placebo, with the difference between the two groups not reaching statistical significance. And finally, the European Court of Justice ruled that German legislation setting fixed prices for prescription drugs constitutes an unjustified restriction of the free movement of goods. The court concluded that price fixing favoured domestic companies and made it difficult for foreign competitors to compete in the German drug market. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.